Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're diving into a topic that's sparking a lot of conversation and holds incredible promise for how we learn: artificial intelligence in education, specifically through the eyes of students. Imagine a classroom where learning isn't a one-size-fits-all experience, but a journey uniquely tailored to you asterisk. That's the exciting potential AI brings. Think about personalized learning platforms that can identify exactly where you might be struggling with a concept, and then offer extra explanations, practice problems, or even different ways of looking at the material. It's like having a tutor available 24/7, ready to guide you at your own pace. For students who might feel shy about asking questions in a large group, AI can offer a safe space to explore and learn. You can ask as many questions as you need without any pressure and receive clear, immediate feedback. This can build confidence and deepen your understanding in ways that traditional methods sometimes find challenging. AI can also be a powerful tool for teachers, freeing them up to focus more on the human aspects of education, mentorship, critical thinking discussions, and fostering creativity. When AI handles some of the more repetitive tasks, like grading certain types of assignments or providing instant feedback on basic skills, educators have more time to connect with you on a deeper level, understand your individual needs, and inspire your passion for learning. Furthermore, AI can open up new avenues for exploration. Imagine AI-powered tools that can help you research complex topics, analyze vast amounts of data, or even simulate scientific experiments. This can make learning more engaging, more relevant, and more exciting, preparing you with the skills needed for a future where technology plays an even bigger role. It's important to remember that AI is a tool designed to enhance, not replace, the invaluable role of teachers and the collaborative spirit of the classroom. The goal is to create a more supportive, effective, and engaging learning environment for every student. By embracing these advancements thoughtfully and responsibly, we can unlock incredible opportunities for growth and discovery. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this has given you a fresh perspective on how AI can positively impact your educational journey. If you found this interesting, please consider following 4 more discussions like this. See you next time.